Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 2, subject maths, chapter number 4, addition and subtraction of 3-digit numbers. And this is third session on this chapter. Today, let us solve the problems in exercise 4B of your textbook. Come on, let's begin. Question number 1, 53 plus 47. Here we have to add 47 to 53. So as we know, we should begin addition from ones place. We should add the digits at ones column first and then we move on to the digits at tens column. So first we add 3 and 7. What do you get when you add 3 and 7? 3 plus 7 is 10. Yes, if you have the practice of using your fingers or drawing standing lines for addition, you may draw or you may use your fingers for adding. But you should not go wrong while adding the numbers. So here, when we add 3 and 7, we get a 10, and 10 is a 2-digit number. So we regroup 10 as 110, or 1 is carried forward to the tens column and 0 is written in the ones column. And now we add the digits in tens column. So here we add 5 tens and 4 tens. 5 tens plus 4 tens is equal to 9 tens. We have 1 carried forward 110 here. When we add that 110 with the 910, we get 10 tens. So 10 tens are regrouped as 100 and 0 tens. Right? So we can regroup 10 tens as 100 and 0 tens. So therefore, the sum of 53 and 47 is 100. When 47 is added to 53, we get 100 as sum. Now let us move to the second question. 84 plus 65. So we add 4 and 5 plus. So 4 and 5 first, and then we add the digits in tens column. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is a single digit number and we write 9 in ones column. This time there is no carry, no need to regroup. So and then we add the digits in tens column now. When we add 8 and 6, we get 14. 8 plus 6 is 14, and 14 tens are regrouped as 100 and 4 tens. Therefore, we write 1 in hundreds column and 4 in tens column. Therefore, the sum of 84 and 65 is 149. Question number 3, 73 plus 65. We add 3 and 5 first. 3 plus 5, 3 ones plus 5 ones is 8 ones. So we write 8 in ones column. And then we add the digits in tens column. That is 7 plus 6. So when we add 7 and 6, we get 13 as sum. And 13 tens are regrouped as 100 and 3 tens. So we write 1 in hundreds column here. 1, 3 here in tens column. So the sum of 73 and 65 is 138. Coming to question number 4, 64 plus 49. We add 4 and 9 first. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 is a two-digit number which can be regrouped as 110 and 3 ones. So we carry forward 110 to the tens column. So I write 1 here. It represents 110 which is carried forward to tens column, and we write 3 in ones column. This is how 13 ones are regrouped. Now we add the digits in tens column. That is, we add 6 and 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 here means 11 tens. So 11 tens are regrouped as 100 and 110. So we write 1 in hundreds column and 1 in tens column. So the sum of 64 and 49 is 113. Coming to question number 5, we have 27 plus 75. We begin adding from ones column. That is, we add 7 and 5. So when we add 7 ones and 5 ones, we get 12 ones. So 12 ones are regrouped as 110 and 2 ones. So 110 is carried forward to the tens column and 2 ones are written in ones column. Now we add the digits in tens column. That is, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 tens is nothing but 100. So we write 1 in hundreds column and 0 in tens column, which represents 0 tens. So the sum of 27 and 75 is 102. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 6. Here we have 3-digit numbers to be added. So 293 plus 427. We add the digits at ones place first. 3 plus 7 is 10, and we know that we have to regroup it as 110 and 0 ones. So we write 0 in ones column and 110 is carried forward. So now we add the digits in tens column. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 ones are regrouped as 100 and 2 tens. So 1 is carried forward to hundreds column and 2 is written in tens column. We add now the digits in hundreds column. That is, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7, which is 700. So we write 7 in hundreds column. 7 is written here in hundreds column. Therefore, the sum of 293 and 427 is 720. Or in other words, when 427 is added to 293, we get 720 as sum. Now let us move to question number 7. Here we have 147 plus 658. Let us add these two numbers now. So 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 is regrouped. 15 ones are regrouped as 110 and 5 ones. Now we add the digits in tens column. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 tens are regrouped as 100 and 0 tens. So we carry forward 100 to the hundreds column and 0 tens are written in tens column. Now we add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8, which is 800. So we write 8 here in hundreds column. Therefore, 805 is the sum of 147 and 658. Question number 8. 355 plus 459. We add the digits at ones place first. So 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 ones are regrouped as 110 and 4 ones. Now we add the digits at a tens column. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 tens are regrouped as 100 and 110. Now we add the digits in hundreds column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, which is 800. So we write 8 in hundreds column. Therefore, 814 is the sum of 355 and 459. Question number 9. 456 plus 447. We add 6 and 7 first. So 6 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 13 ones, which are regrouped as 110 and 3 ones. Now we add the digits in tens column. So I add 1 plus 4 to make it 5 and 5 plus 5 10. As I add, it will be convenient. If you add like this, it will be easy for addition. So here we have 1 which is carried forward 110. So I add this 1 with the 4, it becomes 5, and then I add this 5 with this 5 above. So I get 5 plus 5 10. And 10 tens are regrouped as 100 and 0 ones. So I carry forward 100 to the hundreds column and I write 0 tens or 0 in tens column. Now I add the digits in hundreds column, that is 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 hundreds. So we write 9 in hundreds column. Therefore 903 is the sum of 456 and 447. Question number 10. 739 plus 244. We add 9 and 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 ones are regrouped as 110 and 3 ones. Now we add the digits in tens column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, which represent 8 tens. So we write 8 in tens column. No regrouping is involved here in this step because this is 8 is a single digit number. And we add the digits in hundreds column now. 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 hundreds plus 2 hundreds is equal to 9 hundreds. So we write 9 in hundreds column. Therefore now the sum of 739 and 244 is equal to 983. Now let us move to the next questions. Question number 11. 269 plus 358. We add 9 and 8 here. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 ones are regrouped as 110 and 7 ones. Here I add the digits in tens column. First I add 1 and this 5 here. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. So 12 tens are regrouped as 100 and 2 tens. Now we add the digits in hundreds column. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, which represents 6 hundreds. So I write 6 in hundreds column. Therefore, the sum of 269 and 358 is equal to 627. Question number 12. 718 plus 193. We add 8 and 3. First, 8 plus 3 is 11 and 11 ones are regrouped as 110 and 1 1. Now we add the digits in tens column. I begin from bottom. It will be convenient for addition. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 tens are regrouped as 100 and 110. We add the digits in hundreds column now. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 hundreds. So we write 9 in hundreds column. Therefore, 911 is the sum of 718 and 193. Coming to question number 13, here we have 323 plus 469. Let us add the digits in ones column. So 3 plus 9 is 12. For such addition, if required, you may use your fingers or you can draw the standing lines and count, whichever is convenient for you, until you learn to add in your mind. So, on adding 3 and 9, you will get 12. 12 is a two-digit number which is more than 9. So, we regroup 12 as 110 and 2 ones. 110 is carried forward to the tens column and 2 ones are written in ones column. Now we add the digits in tens column, that is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 tens. So 9 being single digit number, we write 9 in tens column. Here regrouping is not necessary, not required. Here we add the digits in hundreds column now. So 3 plus 4 is 7, which is 700. Since these are in hundreds column, we write 7 in hundreds column here. Therefore, 792 is the sum of 323 and 469. Question number 14. We have 384 plus 485. We add the digits in ones column. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 being single digit number, regrouping is not required. So we come to tens column now. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 tens are regrouped as 100 and 6 tens. We carry forward 100 to the hundreds column and we write 6 in tens column. Now we add the digits in hundreds column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we write 8 in hundreds column. Therefore, 869 is the sum of 384 and 485. Question number 15. We have 373 plus 448. So we add 3 and 8. So 3 plus 8 is 11. So 11 ones are regrouped as 110 and 1 1. Now we add the digits in tens column. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 tens are regrouped as 100 and 2 tens. So now we add the digits in hundreds column. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. So I write 8 in hundreds column here. Therefore, 821 is the sum of 373 and 448. We have 5 more questions to be solved in this exercise now. Question number 16. 509 plus 392. Add 9 and 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 ones are regrouped as 110 and 1 1. So now we add the digits in tens column. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 9 is 10 and 10 tens are regrouped as 100 and 0 tens. Now we add the digits in hundreds column. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9, which is 900. 901 is the sum of 509 and 392. Question number 17. 216 plus 375. Add these digits first. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 ones are regrouped as 110 and 1 1. Now we add these digits. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is a single digit number. Regrouping is not involved. And here we add the digits in hundreds column. 2 plus 3 is 5. 500. Here we are adding 200 and 300. The place values of 2 and 3 here is 200 and 300. Therefore, when we add 200s and 300s, we get 500s as the sum. So therefore, the sum of these two numbers, that is 216 and 375, is 591. Question number 18. 297 plus 127. Add these digits. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 ones are regrouped as 110 and 4 ones. Now we add 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 tens are regrouped as 100 and 2 tens. 100 is carried forward. 2 tens are written in tens column. Here we add 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Or you may add like this. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. However, but only one time. You never go on repeating the addition. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, not like that. Once you should consider all the digits, only once. ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. You may add this with this digit and then with this, or you may add these two digits first and later with this. Only once, remember that. So if I add like this, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, you get 4. So the sum now we obtained is 424. That is 424 is the sum of 297 and 127. Question number 19. 442 plus 278. So we add the digits in ones place. 2 plus 8 is 10 and 10 ones are regrouped as 110 and 0 ones. So we write 110 or carry forward 110 to the tens column and we write 0 here to represent 0 ones. Now we add the digits in tens column. That is 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 tens are regrouped as 100 and 2 tens. So 100 is carried forward, 2 tens are written in tens column. Now we add the digits in hundreds column. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 hundreds. So I write 7 in hundreds column. Therefore, 720 is the sum of 442 and 278. Now let us move to the next and last question of this exercise. That is question number 20. 356 plus 359. We add 6 and 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 ones are regrouped as 110 and 5 ones. Now we add the digits in tens column. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 tens are regrouped as 100 and 110. Now we add the digits in hundreds column. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, which represents 7 hundreds. So I write 7 in hundreds column. Therefore, 715 is the sum of 356 and 359. I hope you understood all the problems we have discussed today. Addition of 2-digit numbers, addition of 3-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.